咁多位追隨夢想、擁抱信念嘅奇妙處處通會員，歡迎你以愉悅並夢幻嘅心情參與呢個獨特嘅晚上。即將我哋誠邀大家嚟到美國小鎮大街欣賞奇妙夜空星光慶典。為咗令大家欣賞得更加投入，我哋會將燈光較暗。喺演出期間，周圍環境亦將會持續一片漆黑。神奇魔法將會喺幾分鐘後於美國小鎮大街上空展開。
每一位追隨夢想、擁抱信念的奇妙處處通會員，歡迎你以愉悅並夢幻的心情參與這個獨特的晚上。即將，我們誠邀大家來到美國小鎮大街欣賞奇妙夜空星光慶典。為了令大家欣賞得更加投入，我們會將燈光調暗。於演出期間，周圍環境亦將會持續一片漆黑。神奇魔法將於幾分鐘後在美國小鎮大街上空開展。
Dreamers, believers, Magic Access members, you've brought magic and joy by joining us today. Now it's time to keep the party going as we invite you to join us on Main Street, USA for Magic Ever After Nighttime Celebration. To enhance your viewing experience, the lights will be dimmed and the area will remain in darkness for the duration of the show. The magic will unfold high above the Main Street train station, beginning in just a few minutes.
Good evening, everyone. Michael here. And on behalf of the Hong Kong Disneyland Resort, I'd like to express my profound gratitude for the loyalty and devotion you've given us over the years. Your dedication and passion truly bring Hong Kong Disneyland to life. As we reflect on the years gone by, our hearts are full, and the excitement builds as the journey continues to unfold before us. As Walt Disney once said, it's kind of fun to do the impossible. And it's with this that we can keep the magic alive in everything we do. "20 years of joy and happiness with you by our side, our Magic Access members. Your loyalty allows us to continue transforming dreams into reality. Together, let's look to the stars that light tonight in a celebration of friendship like no other. Here's to the magic, and here's to the future."
Make a wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
Like a magical carpet ride, travel to Neverland. Just believe that you can.
So conscience be your guide.
Be your guide, 'cause it's there inside.
If you believe today, then it's possible tonight.
令呢一場奇妙夜空星光慶典嘅光芒顯得分外閃爍。希望大家有一個難忘嘅晚上，並期待有更多機會與大家再次派對狂歡。我哋好快再見。
謝謝。 谢大家的参与，令这一场奇妙夜空星光庆典的光芒显得分外闪烁。希望大家有一个难忘的晚上，并期待有更多机会与大家再次派对狂欢。我们很快再见。
Thank you for joining us at Magic Ever After Nighttime Celebration. This party can't happen without you. We hope you had a great night and look forward to partying with you again and again and again. See you